Hello everyone, this is my review of this digital alarm clock. This clock is good to have on your desk, on your nightstand to alarm you. It has a USB plug-in cable, so you don't have to use batteries, but it does take three AAA batteries. And look in the back, you have your battery compartment here and your different settings where you can set your timer for up and down. You set your alarm, and it also has a button so you can turn a light on, so you can set different illumination levels for the brightness of the clock. The numbers are pretty big, so you can see a pretty far distance. It doesn't normally blink like this. It's because I'm taking it with a video camera, but it stays steady. Doesn't blink like that. I set it so you can hear it alarm. And there it goes. So I hope this review helps.